Let me ask you a simple question. What happens if retirement doesn't turn out the way you expected? At 62 years old, standing at the age of retirement, I realized I needed something else. Not a miracle, not more stress. I needed a retirement plan B. If you can relate to this, stay tuned. I'm a baby boomer, 73 years old, and I didn't grow up digital. Online business felt too technical, too fast, and too young. But I also knew this. Traditional retirement alone was no longer enough. It was too calm and too monotonous. I wasn't chasing money. I was searching for purpose, structure, and something meaningful to build. In this video, I will give you my whole story. Stay until the end because I will give you access to the system, platform, community, whatever you would like to call it. It changed my retirement life completely, and probably it will change yours as well. Suddenly one day, when scrolling on my computer, and after being bombarded with all these get-rich-quick scams, I saw a site that said something different. Not promises, not hype, just this. If you are a complete beginner, we'll show you step by step. And guess what? For the first time, I felt included. This became the first real step into my retirement plan B. The training assumed I knew nothing, which was true. Perfect. Step by step, I learned how to create my personal avatar, define who I wanted to help, build my own website, reach the right audience. By the way, my audience became clear fast. Retirees, people about to retire, people searching for a passionate activity in retirement. No money chasing, only value, and with constant support and coaching along the way. I felt reassured that I wouldn't be alone in this journey. Something unexpected happened. People started asking questions. How did you do this? What tools are you using? That's where affiliate marketing entered naturally. Not as pressure, not for selling, but as a service. Affiliate marketing became the income engine for my retirement plan B. First I was skeptical, of course. Does this really work? But when messages like these started to enter my email inbox, I was convinced. It works. Without the system, this would have stayed a theory. The system adapted to my interest, my skills, my experience, my level of knowledge. That's the difference. One size fits all never works in retirement. Without the system, this would have stayed a theory. The system adapted to my interest, my skills, my experience, my level of knowledge. That's the difference. One size fits all never works in retirement. 14 years later, my success isn't exceptional. The process is. The system is constantly upgraded, now also with AI features included. When retirees are correctly guided, they surprise themselves. This is not about age, it's about direction, my friend. If you are retired or about to retire and searching for a retirement plan B, as I was, try this system. You can find a link in the description below here, and you will also find something that fits your life, your interest and your knowledge level. Retirement isn't the end, it's a new chapter in your life. And it can be your strongest beginning. Now you are probably as skeptical as I was. That's normal. You need to see it, to believe it. In the training you will get when clicking on the link below. It's a 7-day totally free video series erasing all the question marks you have right now. It erased all the question marks I had, so why shouldn't it do the same for you? Comment below here what's your takeaway from this short video. What's your doubts? share it, and let's solve them together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more valuable information, especially tailored for us retirees and baby boomers. If you would like to know more about affiliate marketing and why it's a perfect business model, especially for us retirees who would like to combine a calm and pleasant lifestyle as retirees with an additional income stream to our monthly pension payout, check this video coming up here on the screen and learn more. All the best with your retirement plan B, and until the next video.